Hi, I'm Teresa from Atlas Pilates. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to lead you through a mat, a posture-focused mat, and I am going to take a little bit of time throughout to offer some ideas and focus specifically for the head and neck posture. Find the place where your head tries to slip forward, just like I demonstrated. So there's somewhere along this path going down that I'm pretty sure most people head has a moment where it goes like that a little bit. And I'd say that's like a fear response. That's like a reflexive response that your head does because your body's in charge of not cracking your head on the ground back there. The body goes, you're going backwards. Number one job, protect the noggin. And it is totally possible to go all the way down and all the way up. But you might have to work at it. And it might require a little patience with yourself.